meghalayapost.news.
Jingshun hapadeng Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Persya ia ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm layu i bakadang jor kadang mi kisingi gipor kad haduk butui Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam la berngam sendan bagi Samla Puli bela pendap na ketika skol ba kinom la syu bantep Hakikam Sorkar hapok Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma la thuru bulo betha ia ke Legal Department na benta banwat ia kilat kelinti kumno ban Pynduhkam Sorkar Samla Puli kiba pendap na ketika skol ba Ustm balada dei bantung kamru ki hab banyakun biang saya kewe ke examen banyak kam hapok Kejala Assam
আমি আৰু এটা আলোচনা কৰি আছো যে ইউএসটিএমত পাস কৰা লৰা ছোৱালী যাতে অসমৰ চাকৰি পৰীক্ষাত চাকৰি এডভাৰটাইজত যোগদান কৰিব নোৱাৰে কাৰণ বেলেগ ষ্টেটৰ সাৰ্টিফিকেট গতিকে আমাৰ গুৱাহাটী ডিব্ৰুগড় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি লৰাবিলাকে তাৰ কাৰণে সাফাৰ কৰি আছে সেইকাৰণে তাকো মই লিগেল ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টক এক্সাম ল'ব দিছো যে ইউএসটিএমত পাস কৰা লৰা ছোৱালীয়ে অসমত যদি চাকৰি বিচাৰে অসমত মেডিকেল বিচাৰে ইয়াত আৰু এটা পৰীক্ষা দিব লাগিব
Kembali ke hajar ngot ki Samla na Kejala Assam kelawan ban puli hak ketika skul ba Himanta ula kren syai bagi Samla puli Asamis kimdai setia ban puli sya USTM ka bahab ban siu pisa Henry bakin puli bai hapok Kejala Assam klem dan kam ban siu IRM keman syukudo ke jingmi ke thma ketian hapadeng Himanta Biswa Sarma persya ya ketika skul ba kedi hadian ke jingther jong ulaba hakini ki kindat tayo ki bala adab ke bawan ra ya ke jing seleum ke bajur haki bobon benta jong kasar Guwahati ya ke ba Himanta Biswa Sarma ula keno bakadai ko ke bala tuj na ke jingti pathar ya kilum ha ketika skul ba USTM.
For organizing their event. So you see that the way he has blamed, maybe for his satisfaction, but I cannot use such kind of word. So I am really hearted, and I hope the entire community belonging to this institution, they will condemn such kind of things. We as a university, we are completely a diverse society. We are very much integrated. We have a lots of brotherhood, and even we share our feelings. And this is something, one of the best example in the country, that a university where 57% girl students and all community children from all the northeastern states. If you go any state, you will find that maximum the students from that particular state. But we as a university in the state of Meghalaya, in the bordering area, but having students from all the northeastern states proportionately. Assam is the biggest state, we know, so maximum number of students from Assam, followed by Meghalaya and other all neighboring states. So this is something I must say, this is our one of the best feature of our university, and I must say this is only our.
Himanta ula konthoru halor ke Jingshuna ya ke porno Sama International Medical College and Hospital hapok ketika skul ba ta ke boong balashna ya ketika jaka ajung semar klem kinongpang ula kamru ba ke jingwan jorib jongka National Medical Council ketika skul ba kelapun i da kinongpang boshthok bat konoru ba ke Jingshuna ya ke porno Sama International Medical College Hospital ketika jingthmu ban penjot ya ke Guwahati Medical College bat hospital
এখন মেডিকেল কলেজ বনাই আছে এটাও পেশেন্ট নাই তাত এখন মেডিকেল কলেজ খুলিব পেশেন্ট থাকা বুলি ন্যাশনাল মেডিকেল কাউন্সিলৰ যিমান ইনস্পেকশন আহিছে হিডনাখন জোৰ কৰি পেশেন্ট ভৰাই লৈছে এতিয়া পেশেন্ট নাই আৰু তাতে মেডিকেল কলেজখন খোলাৰ দিনাখনে গুৱাহাটী মেডিকেল কলেজখন ধ্বংসৰ কামত লাগি যাব
When this institution is growing, when such institution, a very healthy institution is growing up and blaming such a blunt way and without any experiment. Yes, I must agree that there is one project is coming up, which is a medical college project. You have also seen practically. Then one side construction is now the construction has come up to the second floor, third floor. The other side we are doing the plantation work. You have seen lots of plantation. We have taken plants from the Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So these things we are doing, and that's why our 80% coverage of the campus is completely green. And you will not find anywhere a small portion of the land is uncovered. Either it is tree or it is grass, or you will get pakka area where we have done the kind of this thing. So if there is a rain in the campus, whatever the water is coming out from the drain, it is all clean water.
MeghalayaPost.news.